Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to qualify for Payability funding. When I first looked into Payability, I was specifically interested in getting faster access to my marketplace sales revenue, as waiting for those 2-week or 1-month payout cycles was really holding back my inventory purchasing. I realized that qualifying wasn't about a perfect credit score or years of complex business history. It was primarily about demonstrating consistent sales performance on the platform. Here is the straightforward reality of what they look for based on what I went through. 1. The core requirement, sales history and volume. The single most important factor is your marketplace sales data. Payability offers 2 main products and the qualifications differ slightly. For instant access, daily payouts, this is for accelerating your payments. When I qualified, they mainly look for me to have at least 90 days, 3 months of selling history on a supported platform like Amazon, Shopify, or Walmart. Crucially, I needed to show consistent monthly sales, and the minimum was around the $2,000 to $5,000 range. They advance about 80% of my previous day sales, which was a game changer for my cash flow. For instant advance, lump sum growth capital, if you need a larger lump sum, say, for a massive inventory order, the requirements are higher because it's a bigger risk for them. I had to show a longer selling history, typically 9 months or more, and significantly higher average monthly sales, often in the range of $10,000 to $50,000, depending on the total advance amount I was requesting. My advice is to aim for those minimums, but the more consistent your sales are above the minimum threshold, the better the offer you'll get. 2. The simple application process. The best way to qualify is also the easiest way. Connect your marketplace account. The application process is incredibly fast because they aren't looking at your personal credit score. They rely almost entirely on your live sales data and account health metrics. Connect your account. I simply link my Amazon Seller Central account directly to the Payability application. This gives them a real-time, transparent view of my sales, customer feedback, and shipping metrics. Account health is key. They look closely at your seller performance. This means keeping a good standing with the marketplace. Low defect rates, fast shipping, and positive customer feedback are essential. A well-run storefront is their best collateral. The major benefit and why this works so well for e-commerce sellers is no personal credit check. They don't care about your FICO score. They care about your business's revenue performance. In short, to qualify for Payability, you need to be a consistent, high-performing seller on a major e-commerce platform. Focus on boosting your sales volume and maintaining excellent account health, and the funding becomes very accessible. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.